so happy.
Yeah. Oh, now the camera, I can barely see it.
Amazing.
Let me see. Okay.
No, it's warm right there, so
Okay, maybe
just
take some
use
time.
a little bit of time.
So it's right there. Ooh, almost got my finger there. All right, let's see.
Oh
my goodness.
Gone.
Oh, that's
Amazing.
Real.
That is some-
I'm kidding.
This is a video on trying to get some water stains off of our nice dining room table, and there's two of them. There's the other one. I'll just show that one here. So they're pretty bad. Quite visible. Can't really hide it. Tried to use Pledge and it wouldn't work. We have our iron on, and we're supposed to put this on the high cotton setting, and apparently with some steam, so the steam setting's up there. So we're going to let it heat up, wait for the red light, and then we'll test it out. So this is the before and after. Is it getting warm? Seems to be working on the camera. Oh my
Oh
goodness.
my goodness.
Came right out.
Oh, that's hardly
That's
like
exciting.
even
It
a
came
few
right out.
seconds.
The stains came out, guys.
Oh my goodness.
That's like magic.
No, that one.
Now we just have, it's barely visible to the eye, but on the camera, it sees like maybe the subtle ones here. Do you see me? So put the,
Yeah.
so
Oh my goodness.
visually on the eye it was, so just come closer here. Yeah, right there. Let me see. Oop. That's awesome.
So right here, that's
Yep.
pretty good hack.
Yeah, that is an awesome hack. So,
Oh, those marks are so annoying. I'm so happy.
yeah. Oh, now the camera, I can barely see it.
Amazing.
Let me see. I cannot find it anymore. There's maybe subtle.
Like,
Yeah, you can't really
right
see
around
it.
here?
Yeah. That's exciting. Can you, a life hack? All right. Fair enough. Let's try this one.
Yeah.
All right. I'll put my camera here and
Okay. Who knew? How does this do this?
it just kind of steams it out.
Okay, so like,
Don't you remember?
it's just a cotton, pure cotton cloth.
Yeah, a pure white cotton cloth. Oh, oh, you missed it.
It's
Yeah, I
almost.
might have.
Okay,
No, it's warm right there, so
Okay, maybe
just
take some
use
time.
a little bit of time.
so it's right there. Ooh, almost got my finger there.
I'm very excited about this because that made me not like my table anymore.
No.
Because I'm like that.
All right, let's see.
Oh,
my goodness.
Gone.
Oh, that's
It's
Amazing.
real.
That is some-
I'm kidding. It's not there anymore.
Do you see any
Rather
remnants?
than I'm blind, but it ain't there.
wow. Wow. I don't know where I'm.
How do you think it does that?
It just takes the steam out of it. Steams all that moisture. Maybe
a little
here.
bit more right here.
Maybe.
Yeah, and it's not coming back.
So this is the amount of time that we're putting it on in high cotton. We got.
doesn't take much time at all. Just a few
Yeah.
seconds.
Geez, we
really.
should go ahead and start going and buy furniture for cheap with water stains and refinishing it. Okay, that is amazing. This is
Oh
on the
my
high.
goodness.
Okay. So that's the life hack. It actually works.